Do you need a cardio session that is not going to make your glutes turn into soggy pancakes? Well, our favorite is the high incline treadmill. So come along with me, let's get started. So you're gonna wanna do a high incline treadmill walk. This is gonna preserve your glutes. It's not gonna be high impact. Your body will thank you. Your joints won't be screaming at you. And it's something that you can do forever because walking is easy. So if you raise the incline, it will increase your heart rate, much like a jog or a run, and you can sustain it for much longer. So you wanna make sure that you're walking at a nice, comfortable pace, long stride. You should be breathless. Right now I'm explaining so I can breathe and talk, but I would probably start at around 3 miles per hour and then gradually take your incline up. I like to start with around 5. Challenge yourself if that's too easy, and you wanna move your hands. If your hands are hitting the machine, you probably need to go a little bit faster. And something you never wanna do is hang onto the machine up here, okay? We're not water skiing, we're trying to get some cardio in. In order for that to be effective, you gotta propel yourself forward with your body weight. So high incline, nice comfortable speed that's gonna give you a breathless feeling, and swing those arms, do a little bebop if you need to enjoy yourself and knock that out. No more soggy glutes here.